Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Minecraft Java Edition on your PC. It's a quick and simple tutorial, so stick around till the end. And before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Now, Minecraft comes in a few different versions. There's Java Edition, Bedrock Edition, and Minecraft for Windows. Today, we're focusing on Java Edition. To get started, go to your desktop, then click on the search box in your taskbar and type Store. Click on the Microsoft Store when it appears. Once the store opens, head to the search box at the top and type Minecraft. You'll see multiple results, including Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. Click on Minecraft Java Edition. Here, you can purchase it if you haven't already, and it also comes bundled with Bedrock Edition for PC. After purchasing, the next step is to install the Minecraft launcher. Click on the launcher app. You'll see Get or Install if you haven't installed it yet. Once it's installed, hit play. The launcher may take a minute or two to update, so just give it a moment. When the launcher is ready, look on the left-hand side for the list of Minecraft games. Click on Minecraft Java Edition. If it's not installed yet, you'll see Install. Otherwise, it'll show Play. Once installed, hit the green Play button, and just like that, Minecraft Java Edition will launch on your PC. And that's it. You're ready to jump into the world of Minecraft. I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know you're ready to start building. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.